Can a backpack really be both ultra stylish and perfect for minimalist travel? To be honest, I already have a lot of travel backpacks, but this one was so unique and so interesting that I thought I might as well add another one to my collection. So today we are going to explore the Urban U5 backpack from Nayo Smart. We will pack the backpack, explore all its features and find out if this is the one. If you don't know me yet, I am Vicky from NonStopTravelVV. I love to travel and I love to review everything travel related, especially good luggage. Speaking of, I am here with the Nayo Smart Urban U5 backpack. We will find out together if I love it or if I hate it. I literally just took it out of its box. I don't know yet, I haven't opened it yet, so we're gonna explore together. You will get my honest reactions as usual. Even though, yes, Nayo Smart has sent me this. Thank you so much, Nayo Smart. Love you guys. But they didn't tell me to tell you guys that it's awesome. So we don't know yet. I have a good feeling about it though. So the very first thing I noticed about it is that it's much lighter than my other Nayo Smart backpacks. That is definitely something that I love as a minimalist traveler. The material is a little bit more flexible. Maybe that's why it's lighter. Very, very good size for a personal item. By the way, I will put all the details up here. Where do we even start? Oh, okay, so it has very, very interesting buckles here. They are metal, super safe. This is a roll top backpack as well, but it has a zipper that goes all the way down here. So this is what makes it so unique, I think. Look at it. So it opens like a V shape, and I mean, perfect. It matches my channel, NonStopTravelVV, and there we have a third V. It looks like there's a lot more room in there than in the other backpacks. I think the capacity is the same like my other Nayo Smart backpacks, but for some reason I have a feeling we can fit more in there. We're gonna pack it in a moment. I've got everything prepared. Let's just find all the compartments first. All right, I'm seeing a zipper here. Perfect. Hidden compartment. So what could we put in here? Possibly like a passport or even like a wallet or something could go in here so that it's a little bit safer and more protected. All right. Oh, we've got another one on the other side. I did not expect that for some reason, but yes. Ah, perfect. Exactly the same. Why does it feel bigger? Is it bigger or is it just me? Nah, same. They're both a really generous size. Yes, I really like that you can access it like this. All right, so I think that is the main compartment. Zippers, oh my God. The zippers are waterproof zippers, and you know how much I like a good waterproof zipper. There you have it. So yes, they look good, and yes, no water goes in. So I mean, what else could you really ask for? And then, so we can tighten this opening. I like it. And then on the outside, we've got two pockets here. Still some paper in there. Should collect all inside the box. By the way, speaking of the box, I mean, how nice is the box? And yes, again, you can always tell a product is amazing by the packaging. I love the attention to detail in the box. This as well, which is a perfect dust bag. It's plastic, but it has like this little zipper thing here, so you can close it. Back to the bag itself. So I wonder if this is big enough for a passport. Let's find out, shall we? Yes, it fits perfectly. Then, perfect for a water bottle. We will also see if my water bottle fits when we pack it. Here on the other side, I believe they are matching exactly. So you could put like an umbrella on one side and a water bottle on the other side, or two water bottles. The options are endless. And then of course we got a strap here, so you can slide this over your suitcase handles if this is your personal item. And this feels really, really nice, by the way. It's like a little bit padded. Very, very nice. I like it. The straps padded, but not too bulky, which is very nice. It says Nayo Smart here, in case you forgot. I think everything is a little bit more lightweight than the other backpacks, which I already love. But it has those metal details. Of course, there is a laptop compartment, but I think there's also... Ah, yes, there is a hidden compartment here. Oh, I love it, and it's really, really deep. Goes all the way in here. Oh, this is awesome. You know what? I would put my passport there for safety reasons. And also, this is a little bit tight because you sort of have to wiggle it in. So it would take a little bit longer to get it out from here. Yes, this is definitely a no-brainer. This is where your passport would go. Super protected. I love it. But there's also more space in there. So you can put your wallet in there as well and everything. Even your phone you could put in there. Yes, actually the phone would be great because if you carry it like this, then it's very easy to access your phone. Easily fits in here as well. I love how flat it is. I mean, it will bulk up a little bit when we pack it because we're gonna pack it with winter clothes. But right now it's still like very, very flat because there's nothing in there. And now the laptop compartment. So here's the hidden back compartment, and this zipper here on this side will take us to the laptop compartment. I mean, I don't know because I haven't tested it yet, but I'm very much assuming so. And yes, I was right. There you have it. Oh wow, there's a lot of space. There's not just space for the laptop, there's even a little bit more space. For example, if you want to separate your clothes like dirty laundry or something, you could put that in here, so there is space. And then we've got, Nayo Smart always does that, we've got space for an iPad, a big iPad, and a big laptop. Let me check if my laptop fits. Here we go, laptop. And this is the biggest one, the 15-inch laptop. It easily fits in here. And then we've got, okay, let me take this out again. We've also got those pouches here, where you can put like accessories for your laptop or your chargers or yeah, all that stuff can go in here easily. I like it, it's very minimalistic. And now let's see if we can fit everything that we could possibly need for like a 2 or 3 day trip into this backpack. Okay, let's pack the Urban U5 backpack. Okay, so I've prepared clothing for winter to put it to a real test. Let's see how much we can fit in there. Quite a heavy sweater, black jeans, 2 different tops. I put my shoes there, but I would probably wear them. So we probably won't fit them in there, but we can try, we will find out. Water bottle, undies and socks, sunglasses, headphones, toiletries, and a book. And of course my MacBook. So I think this time we will pack it without any packing cubes apart from this compression packing cube that's just like my socks and my undies, just so that they are separated from everything. You don't want your undies like, you know, roaming around in your backpack. So yeah, that's all in here. And let's compress it. Okay, nicely organized. So in order to pack it, let's open it up all the way. Let's start with the bulkiest item, which are my jeans. Let's give them a good roll. Then my gray sweater. Let's give that one a good roll as well. Still a lot of space in there. Of course, if you use a compression packing cube for all your clothes, you can fit even more in there. But I just want to keep it simple because I think we can easily fit it without the compression packing cube. 1 t-shirt, 2nd t-shirt. Let's put the undies here in front. There is still a lot of space right now. So we could potentially even put the shoes in there. But let's put my toiletries in here. We might put the book in the back actually. And oh my god, I still have so much space. You know what? I could easily fit the shoes in here. And I will put them in a tote bag because that's always good to have when you travel. All right. They are, by the way, from Steve Madden. I absolutely love them. I think they're really cool. I got them on sale. So I'm very happy with that purchase. Not sponsored. All right. So I just put them next to each other. Let's put this on top because it's the smallest item. There you have it. Easy. And if we push it down a little bit, oh my god, there's still so much space on top. Toiletries. There you have it. So that's the main compartment done. Easy. And then, yes, we can tighten this a little bit. Oh, nice. Yeah, I like that. By the way, the backpack also comes in white, I forgot to tell you. I very much prefer the black one because the white one has like brown accents here, which is, I don't know, I'm not sure about that. Maybe you love that, then get the white one. But I really like the black one, everything nice and black. Let's close this again. Those buckles, by the way, are called Duroflex aluminium buckles. So they have a name because that's how cool they are. And then, you can tighten this a little bit as well if you like. But yeah, that's fine right now. And, it's still so light. Of course, the laptop always makes it heavier, but that's the laptop's fault, not the bag's fault. But yeah, it amazes me, even though this is a MacBook Air and not a MacBook Pro, it is really heavy. But it is what it is. But it fits easily. So it fits a 15-inch MacBook, and I think mine is 15-inch, if I remember correctly. Let's put the book in here as well. Then let's close this. And I think it might probably be better to put the MacBook in first. But yeah, it works like this too. So you have to squish it a little bit, but still easy enough. There you have it. That's inside too. Now, my sunglasses, my very, very cool ones. How about, because I'm never bringing an umbrella when I travel, like if it rains, I'm just gonna get wet. Plus also, apparently sometimes they don't let you through airport security with an umbrella because it's a weapon, apparently. So that's why I'm putting my sunnies in here and my water bottle on the other side. Let's see. There's a bump here. Let's put the sunglasses here. The water bottle, does it fit? Does it fit? It's a big water bottle. It fits. It fits. And then my headphones. Why not out here? Easy. And my phone. Where did I put my passport? Yeah, here in the hidden compartment. Yes. And my phone will go with my passport in here. And there you have it. We are fully packed. And you know what? I think this is my favorite now because it is so light. Let's see how it feels when I'm wearing it. And it still has the tags on, by the way. Do the tags tell us something that I have not told you yet? Ultra water resistant. So there you have it. So really perfect for travel and you go somewhere where it might rain a lot. Ultra water resistant, so you don't have to worry about that. Super lightweight, yes. So now it makes sense. That's what I noticed right away and I love it. All right, so do keep in mind that I've got everything in there, not just winter clothes, and even my shoes are in there, which I usually don't do because I usually just have one pair of shoes if I do like a really short trip. Right now, everything is in there, plus my laptop is in there too. And you know what? It's not heavy at all. Does it look good? I think it also looks good. I mean, I can't see, but I will see when I edit this video. So we will see if we get a thumbs up from editing Vicky. But I can definitely tell you it feels absolutely amazing and it is so light. And I just want to show you this Nayo Smart backpack, which was the first one that I reviewed here on this channel. This one was love at first sight. So that's why I chose this one as the first one to review. And I'm using it all the time. So there's like a lot of my stuff in there. And I'm using this whenever I work for my cafe. So it fits all my work stuff in there perfectly. But it is quite heavy. And even now that the laptop isn't in there because it's in here, it's quite heavy. I love it. Other than that, it's awesome. It's still gonna be my work backpack. But I think as a travel backpack, I would absolutely prefer this one because I have it on my back right now and I'm not even feeling that anything is there, even though there is so much stuff in there. So absolutely perfect for travel. So my rating for the Urban U5 backpack, I mean, I can't really fault it. So I would have to say 5 star tortoises out of 5. On that note, I just wanted to tell you, of course, I've got a discount link for you guys. It's down there in the description and I will also pin it in the comments. Happy shopping and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a like if you found it interesting or if you learned something or if you like this backpack. I'm sure you do. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!